Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about what are the risk factors of the heart disease. What are the risk factors of the heart disease? I will tell you step by step, one after the another, what are the risk factors of the heart disease. The first risk factor is age. Age. What is the age risk factor? Why age is the risk factor for the heart disease? When we grow, when we age, there are some changes, degenerative changes will happen to our body. When that happens, especially in the heart, what will happen? As I told you, this is the blood vessel which will supply to the heart. So when these are the blood vessels which are supplying to the heart. When we age, what will happen? The blood vessel will narrow. Blood vessel will narrow means will the distance of the blood vessel will become thin. When this distance will become thin, what will happen? There is blood flow will automatically decreases. When blood flow will automatically decreases to the heart, what will happen? Functioning of the heart will decrease. Function of the heart also decreases because of not proper blood flow. When that happen, what will happen? That will lead to heart diseases, which is very fatal. This is the age is one of the risk factor of the heart disease. And the next risk factor is it has a difference between men and women. In men also some kind of symptoms present, in women some kind of symptoms present in the heart disease. Men like a kind of smoking, alcohol, drinking habits which will lead to heart diseases. In women what will happen? There will be kind of some stress, menopause, especially menopause means once when the periods stops after 55 years or 50 years to 60 years of age, what will happen? After once the menopause stage happen, when menopause stage if woman will reach, which will lead to some kind of heart diseases happen. And third risk factor of heart disease is family history. If suppose there is a coronary artery disease, if suppose there is any coronary artery disease in the family, then what will happen? That will spread to, that will come as a that will pass, that heart disease will pass from generation to generation. So this is the family history heart disease. That is also one risk factor of getting the heart disease problem. And smoking is now common. Smoking is the one major concern that is facing. Because of that smoking, what will happen? Again same, the blood vessel will narrow and blood flow will decrease. Because of smoking, what will happen? There is a nicotine substance in tobacco. In nicotine substance, what will do? That will cause releasing more of carbon monoxide. When there is excess amount of carbon monoxide, saturation of oxygen in the blood also decreases. When this will decrease, automatically blood flow will decrease in the blood vessels, which will lead to decrease in the functioning of the heart, which will lead to heart diseases. And the another risk factor is poor diet. If no proper diet, and in diet also taking lot of fat, saturated fatty acids, all these fatty acids, which will lead to again plaque formation in the blood vessels, which will lead to decreased blood flow, and again the heart disease might happen. And the next way is high blood pressure. If there is a high blood pressure, what will happen? The pressure of the heart will increase to reach to the heart. The pumping of the blood, if the pressure of the heart also increases like excessively, then which will lead to heart diseases. High BP, high blood pressure, which will lead to heart disease. And then high cholesterol. Suppose if we are taking a high amount of cholesterol level, same thing happen. That is plaque formation, fatty acids will increase, and which will lead to narrowing of the blood vessels, that is leading to decreased blood flow. Blood flow decreases because of excess of cholesterol in the body. And the next risk factor of the heart disease is diabetes. If there is excess of sugar in the body, excess sugar what will do? It will damage the blood vessels. excessive sugars will damage the blood vessels, which will narrow the blood vessels and will cause heart disease. Physical inactivity. If there is no proper physical exercises, at least physical exercises needed 30 minutes in a day. If there is no proper physical exercises, which will lead to risk factors, that is heart diseases. Physical inactivity will lead to not proper blood flow to the heart, which will cause again heart diseases. And then next one is stress. If there is uncontrollable stress, stress is the main reason, also one important reason which will lead to heart diseases. If there is too much worry, which will lead to there is more pressure to the heart, that will cause because of excessive pressure to the heart, which will damage the arteries. Also leads to heart diseases. And then again, poor dental health. If there is no proper dental hygiene, if there is no teeth hygiene properly, which also will lead to excessive heart diseases because of some kind of infections. All this which will lead to heart diseases. So these are the basic risk factors of the general heart diseases. In the next video, I'll be telling about various heart diseases and their risk factors. If you like my video, please post your comments in the section below and ask me the doubts if you have or queries regarding the heart diseases and symptoms. And if you want to know further information, please post a comment. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.